Back home, OnePeak, how to disassemble it. Of course, it's in reverse order. So first of all, remember this, remove all the things that are inside. You don't want that to be blocking your way. Okay. The last one, I've removed everything inside. Now, in reverse order, okay, let's remove everything and we will wipe this before we put it in the bag. Everything should be clean, free of mud, especially it rained the other day. So now we're done with the celebration and I need to mow the lawn, so I have to remove this. I'm not sure if disassemble it is easier than installation. Well, I installed it for the very first time, so I have to figure out things, read the manual. Disassembling it is pretty much straightforward. Depending on how you tie the rope affects how you disassemble it. It might be complicated or as easy as 1, 2, 3. Can you count? 1, 2, 3? No, it's not 1, 2, 3. It's 4, 5, 6. Okay, all the pegs. It's windy today, so well, you can just do it like this, or you can do it the cleaner way, just like the original one, but this would take some time. So you know what, I'm just gonna do it like this. Even not fold it at all. We'll see if we need it. So this time we will need to remove the pegs. Oh, I think I will need something to pry it out. So I found a sophisticated tool. This. This is wood. Any flat thing would help you. Metal. I don't want to use metal. Uh-oh. The video. Actually, you don't need this at all. You can just pull the leg up, pull it up, and you're good to go. Now, this is the one that I forgot to tell you I should have cut. This one here. See that? But that's fine. Don't panic. Oh, let's again in reverse order. I'm inside. Let's just put it down. We'll pull it down, and this is where you need to press the thread thingy. This one, right? There. I'm just gonna press it like that for now. Not fully because I'm inside. It will go down by itself. Here. See that? Oop! Oh, oh, oh! Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, because of the wind. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm still recording stuff. My phone. And I can just hold on to it. And there. And hold on to it. Ah, the wind. And hold on to it. This one. Okay. Now we're balanced again. Now I need to remove the video here. There. Okay. Let's remove the video. I secured even the tripod. Now you're watching from the outside. Gonna go inside. and pull the center down. There you go. And let's close this. Okay. And now we can remove the canopy. Oh! See? I forgot something. The hook. I forgot to remove the hook. Remove the hook from here. The Velcro. Okay, this one is removed. Velcro. And of course the hook. Come on. So, remember, you tie up the string, you remove it, forget it, you're gonna be like me, adding some complication. But that's okay, it's not that big of a deal. I can always hold down there. So there's a hook on each side of the screen door. You have to remove that, and the string. Remember? Okay, to secure the door. There you go. All done. You know how I remember it? Because I could not pull the canopy. Let's close it again. It's clean anyway, just some... Oh, I already removed the thing here. There. I already removed this one here. But that's okay. That's why you have to Velcro the to itself. Now, oh, the hook. The hook. Oh, the string. Sorry. The string is the hook is removed. The string I forgot. Okay. Oh, I already removed this. Went back. And the hook, the Velcro, this is what I'm talking about. And Velcro it to itself so it doesn't go back. Like this. Okay. All good. Now, let's pull this. And how do we fold this? Okay. This is the center. Let's deal with that later. Let's fold the frame. Now you see it, now you don't. Cool. Remove the dirt. It's not much dirty, except for this, with leaves, grasses. Okay, very good. There you go. I'll put that later. This one, how do you fold it nicely? This is what I tried to see how I unfolded it. And anyway, I'm just gonna combine or fold it for the corner, for each corner here. Let's see if this will work. And here's the other one. It's windy today, so it adds some. Okay. Corner. Corner. And that's it. Those are the corners. Okay. Then just fold it like that. See, I did not even fold the rope. Doesn't matter. It's not gonna tangle up. I can do it this way. It's not wet. That's why I waited for another day, because it rained, remember? And I let it dry out. And I'm gonna put it back to this container. I have the plastic. Let's put it back. Now, last time when I unfolded it, I did not see the net outside. It was covered by, it makes sense so it doesn't tangle up with sharp materials, but I'm putting it back in the plastic. I guess the technique is doesn't matter, just like putting in on a pillowcase, but you reverse the plastic. But I'm not doing it the hard way. So those watching the video, if you have a good technique, just like the pillowcase, putting it in probably is a good idea, but I'm almost there. There you go. Okay, and all the rope, you can either fold each one of them or just do like what I'm doing now. It's up to you. If you have a better idea, post it in the comment. I'm not even gonna tie it up, just like it, put it like that. And see, here's the thing only that I think is not good. The net is coming outside, is showing outside, prone to hitting some sharp object. Okay, I told you, this one has to be tucked inside. There. Now, this one. And wait, where's the... Oh, we have this for the pegs. Do that later. This one first. Do it in reverse. so we can pull it up easier, because this one will probably hook up the plastic or anything in the bag. Now, why is it longer? Should be it. There. There you go. There you go. Now, before we completely close it, I have tissue here. This is the one that you need to wipe because of the mud. Are you still seeing me? You should have 6 of each. No, the bent one should be 8. Four, 6, and this one should be 8 because there are extra pair. There is an extra pair for the screen door. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All in. So, how long did it take me to disassemble this gazebo? Okay, there, and just put it somewhere here, and then see, this is the nice feature of this. It has wheels. See? And that's it.